How to delete Instagram messages permanently. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on Instagram. Now tap on the DM section at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can simply see a lot of messages. So if you want to delete it, you can simply tap on the Instagram messages over here, and if you want to delete it, you can simply tap on the delete option. So what you can simply do is simply go back and make a long press on the profile or chat and then tap on delete. So here the people who messaged you can still see the conversation and message until you block them. So even if you delete it from your feed, it will not be deleted from the other person's feed. So you can simply tap on delete and it will be away from your feed, but it will not be deleted from the other person's side. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.